Yes. To be continued, the function, bijective function. Okay. A function is said to be bijective if it is 1 1 and onto. 1 1 injective and onto is surjective. 1 1, is it here? 1 1 injective and onto surjective. So a function is said to be bijective if it is either of 1 1 and onto. Is it? The proof of 1 1 is easy. We'll consider the image of function for the two different domains is same. Is it here? And implies that like that, and implies that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. What is the meaning of this statement? Means under the function f, the image of x1 and x2 is same. This fx is here image. There are the two values here. x1 is domain and f of x1 is image. Range is not, don't speak here the range. Range is the collections of all the image. This is the range. And x1, x2 are the images. Exactly, not its domain here. It's images. Collections of all images. Go through that here. In previous class we have discussed here function or polynomial x is equal to what here? 2x plus 1. Tell please. If under the value means if you will take x is 1. So tell please what f of 1 will come here this? Obviously 3. So 1 is called point of domain and 3 is called image of 1 under the function f. What is the name of function? Linear function. Will speak under the linear function, the image of what? 1 is 3. And again I will take here this 2. The f x will take 2. So for the 2 this function will give you 5. Similarly here I will take another value, please tell 3. Then what the next will come here? 7. Similarly for any real numbers, if it is the function is given on a real set, the function can be given on real set, the function can be given on natural set, the function can be given on z. What is the meaning of the word function can be given on? इसका मतलब क्या है कि function is given on means all the domain set, all the domain value we will take from the real number. Then we'll speak here the function is being given on real. If we'll take all the domain points from the natural set, then we'll speak here function is given on natural set. If we'll take the all domain points from saying integer, then it is said the function is given on integer. Is it here? And domain will be the integer and the image will also come from the integer set. Collections of all such images is called range. Is it or not? Got it? So there is this. Let's come on please. Here it is this. Now next is, which question you want to know? Any question for the surjectivity proof? Question number which you want to know? Question number 12. What the question saying here? Let function f on R. It means the domain set will be real set. And what the image will come? They will also come as real. All the function we discussed in 11th class, almost, they all are real function. And hence we studied in 11th class the real valued function. So what is the meaning of real valued function? Real valued function. What is the meaning of real valued function? Wait a minute. Function here f is given defined as fx is equal to 3x. Okay. So we'll discuss here. The function is being given, function is real and its function is given here as 3x. Is it or not? So we'll discuss here. Right, the question number 12 you want to know. Is it or not? Since a function on R, you just see that here we are speaking the word function on R, but we are writing function from R to R. Function on R is what here is given as function on R is given as, how it is given, please tell me. F of x is equal to, tell please, 3 of x. Do you identify this here, what type of function it is? Tell please. No, integer function, no, it's a linear function, is it here? So just create a picture in your mind what the linear function, like a straight line comes here. The picturization of this typical function is a straight line, is it? So we'll discuss here its one-oneness, injectivity, and we'll discuss here its onto-ness, that's the surjectivity. So everybody can prove easily the one-oneness. How will check the one-oneness? One-oneness को कैसे check करेंगे आप? आप first of all थोड़ा सा just description I am giving you. There is a domain set, there is a range set. Is it here? Here you will take x1, here you will take x2, here you will take x3. Here it is what? 1 1, here y1, y2, y3 और भी आगे तक. Is it or not? If you will take here this 2 y1 and y2 are real, two image point here. Is it here? Suppose that here. And if we are supposing as a y1 is not equal to y2, implies that what will here this? x1 is not equal to x2, that is this. Well clear or not? मतलब है कि y1 और y जब इमेज सेम नहीं होगी तो डोमेन पॉइंट भी सेम नहीं होंगे. मतलब है कि अलग अलग डोमेन की अलग अलग इमेज है. That's each domain, each point of domain has one and only one image in range or codomain. Is it here? Codomain. So this function is said to be 1 1. So 1 1 proof हो गया. Is it here? We just write here. If this also is weak, y1 को क्या कहते हैं आप? What is weak y1? fx. So this is actually y1 is f of x1 and y2 is what here? F of x2. Is it? y1 is f of x1 and y2 is what? F of x2. So f of x1, f of x2 is there. Is it? Further you will do that. What next? F of x1 is equal to f of x2. Proceed it ahead. Implies that here what will x1 and x2 means if the domain ranges images are equal then their domain are also equal. अगर उनकी इमेज इक्वल है तो डोमेन भी इक्वल हो गया. मीन्स दैट डोमेन इक्वल है, मतलब डोमेन इक्वल है का मतलब जब व्हेन विल स्पीक हियर द वर्ड इक्वल, जब हम इक्वल बोलते हैं हमें लगता है दो चीजें और वो सब कुछ उनका इक्वल हो. इक्वल का मतलब ये अलग अलग वैल्यू नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट अ डिफरेंट वैल्यू, वो एक ही वैल्यू है. तो अगर इमेज एक ही हो तो डोमेन भी एक ही होगा. मीन्स व्हाट? वन डोमेन विल हैव वन पॉइंट ऑफ डोमेन विल हैव ओनली वन इमेज पॉइंट. आप क्लियर हो गया? one-oneness क्लियर हो गया अच्छे से? Is it here? Now come on please. We'll talking about this. We'll be talking about the onto-ness. What the onto-ness? Onto-ness. Onto-ness actually begins from यहाँ, from the codomain से. Codomain से start करते हैं अपन. Onto-ness में क्या देखना होता है? What you have to see. I just can write here the all narrative statement here that and you just note it here and understand. Yes sir समझ में आएगा. लेकिन what exactly we'll see in the proof of onto. Onto जब proof करते तो क्या देखना होता है आपको? मैंने उस दिन भी कहा था आपसे कि there is a set और there are elements, lot of elements आ रही है, बहुत सारे इसमें एलिमेंट है. बट यू हैव टू सी कि ऐसा कोई एलिमेंट है, ऐसा कोई एलिमेंट है. आई एम टेलिंग दिस. y is f of x square. What you will speak here? y is square function of x. Is it? What is the implication of that here? Here it is x is what? Under root y. Y is square function of x. Y is a square function of x. What does this mean? Ki x is root function of y. In vertical. So under square function x will give you y. And under a square root function y will give you x. Exactly. So same happens here. You will start from y. Tell please, for which y the x will not be real? किस तरह के y के लिए? नेगेटिव के लिए. इससे प्रूफ हुआ कि there are some y for which x is not existing. नहीं नहीं, x इज नॉट डिफाइंड, यू कैन स्पीक हियर कि x डिफाइन नहीं हो रहा है, आप समझे कि नहीं? तो विल स्पीक हियर कि ऐसे कुछ y हैं जिनकी प्री इमेज नहीं, बस द फंक्शन इज सेट टू बी नॉट ऑन टू, नॉट ऑन टू। आप समझ गए सब्जेक्ट? फाइनली क्लियर? तो विल जस्ट सी द सम y, कुछ ऐसे y हैं जिनके लिए x विल नॉट बी एग्जिस्टिंग, x नहीं होगा उनके लिए, इज इट हियर? अब द डिफिकल्ट, इट्स वेरी इजी फंक्शन आई जस्ट स्टेटेड हियर, मैंने जो एग्जांपल लिया बहुत इजी फंक्शन। अब इसमें क्या करेंगे आप? नाउ लेट्स कम ऑन प्लीज, यू गॉट इट क्लियरली, अच्छे समझ में आ गया, राइट? कम ऑन प्लीज। सो fx इज देयर है, सो oneness here you will check what that injective, injectivity, what the word injectivity, this is oneness, injectivity means, here it is, you will suppose let what, same way f of x1 is equal to what, f of x2, आपने क्या ले लिया, where x1 comma x2 are what here, real, why? Because the function is being given on real set. अब clear हुआ कि नहीं? This is the way of writing the solution. So what you will write here, that under the f function x1 will give you what, 3 of x1, ये clear हुआ कि नहीं? Is it? Or same as it here, 3 of what here, x2, got it? Implies that what next will be here, 3 will here, cancel it out. Now what we are cancelling that here, is there an existing any mathematical operation? क्या ऐसा कोई mathematical operation होता है? The common factor from either side, equivalency, we can cancel. Yes sir, of course we can do that. Have done here, is it? So what next is x1 is equal to x2, what you have proved here? Yes sir, for the equal domain images, for equal code, equal image we prove here domain points are equal. मतलब क्या था कि इमेज को हमने इक्वल कर दिया, इसलिए डोमेन भी इक्वल आ गया, डोमेन पॉइंट भी इक्वल आ गया, मींस एक डोमेन पॉइंट एक ही इमेज से एसोसिएटेड, इज इट और नॉट? सो हियर यू विल राइट हियर what you will write here, f of x1 is equal to what here, f of x2 implies that what, f of x1 is equal to f of x2, x2. What is this, what is the meaning of this statement? So here you will write f is क्या, f is, will you please, f is 1 1, will you speak here, f is 1 1, f is 1 1 means 1 1 is actually injectivity. The second start here, what, surjective. We'll see carefully this. Most of the student experience difficulty in proving the surjectivity. Do you know why? क्यों difficulty होती है surjectivity को prove करने में? Tell please. What is the difficulty in proving the surjectivity? तो surjectivity proof कहाँ से start करेंगे? Where from you start? Codomain से. Right now, here you will suppose let. आप इस suppose कर सकते हैं. Here you will suppose y. Can you tell me y क्यों लेते हैं? Actually f, if we'll write here f or x, तो स्टूडेंट की समझ नहीं पता कि वो दो वैल्यू, वो दो f is appearing here and the x is appearing, वो fx एक ही वैल्यू है, तो इसलिए y लेके समझ, हाँ एक सिंगल वैल्यू y is appearing, is it here? So y is 3 of x, is it? Where x is what, real, और y भी real है, x comma और y are what here, real, x y दोनों real है. Can you tell me why x and y are real? Because क्या, function is given on real, is it? Y is 3x, x and y है. So you will suppose that here. So अब x की dependence, we'll see that here. Transfer to that here. Implies that y by 3 और here it will be x. बोलिए क्लियर? अब आपको क्या देखना है? आपको ऐसे y ढूंढना है. Tell please. ऐसे y ढूंढना है जिनके लिए x एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता. तो ऐसा कोई y है तो आप क्या लिखेंगे? What you will write here? You will write here. What is this? YBR. YB? YR है कि नहीं? So implies that y by 3 will also be R. क्या y by 3 भी R होगा? Is it here? तो tell please. और that y by 3R means, what is the meaning of that here? कि that is x. तो you tell please. तो ऐसा कोई y है जिसके लिए y by 3, this like that in place of y we are putting 1, so 1 by 3, is this real? Yes. Suppose in place of that y कोई ऐसा नंबर रख लें 0, suppose that you are putting the 0, अगर ये नंबर ऐसा कुछ होता 3 by y. तो here in place of y if you'll put what 0, तो 0 के लिए क्या आता है 3 by 0. 3 by 0 is what not defined. तो not defined it means ऐसा कोई नंबर नहीं होता 3 by 0. Is it here? तो हम कहते हैं कि ऐसा कोई x नहीं है. तो what will speak कि जब y की वैल्यू 0 होगी उसके लिए कोई भी प्री इमेज नहीं है. तो will speak कि there is some y. There is some y for which pre-domain does not exist. Pre-image does not exist. Sorry. Is it? तो what you will write? तो बताइए प्लीज ऐसी कोई y है? ऐसा कोई y है जिसके लिए नहीं ना? For all it is. So what you will write here? Here you will write what? Therefore there is what? No y. There is no y. Br. There is no y. Is it here? There is no y. Br. For which? For which? What is that here? Pre-image. Pre-image does not exist. Does not exist. Does not exist. Exist. Is it here? There is no y for which the codomain does not exist. Is it here? Therefore, what? The function f is. Please tell me. The function f is onto function. The word onto means what? Surjective. Is it or not? Hence proved. Hope you understood what is the way of writing the solution. Clearly got it? Now let's proceed here. The next questions. It is this one. Let's see. The 12th question we have completed. So what is the right answer for that here?
Sir, both.
Where is that here?
F is on 1 1 and on 2.
A correct answer. F is 1 1 and on 2. Is it here? Next is now composition of the function we'll discuss here. Composition of function n1 vertebrate. This is very easiest topic. What do you meaning of composition of the function? That we are describing here that, come on, we have discussed in previous class like that this y is sine of x square. ये पढ़ा है आपने?
Yes.
How many functions are here?
But only 2 functions.
3 functions. ये 2 functions. 2 functions.
Square function और एक
x, yeah, you're right saying this is. एक फंक्शन स्क्वायर फंक्शन है. एक फंक्शन कौन सा है आपका? स्क्वायर फंक्शन. और एक फंक्शन कौन सा है? साइन फंक्शन, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन. सो टेल प्लीज x y के लिए डोमेन है या sin x के लिए डोमेन है? x किसकी डोमेन है? x किसकी डोमेन है? साइन की डोमेन है. और साइन ऑफ x किसकी डोमेन है? y की डोमेन है. अब क्लियर लग रही? तो अंडर f फंक्शन x will give you image fx और अंडर g फंक्शन fx will give you what here? g of fx. That is g कंपोजिट करना फंक्शंस की फंक्शन. ऐसे कुछ समझ आया कि नहीं समझाया? आगे समझा. मतलब ये हुआ कि मुझे अंडे बेच करके मुर्गी लेना है और मुर्गी से भैंस खरीदना है. गॉट इट और नॉट? तो इट मींस दैट अंडा बेचना भैंस के लिए क्या हो गया? डोमेन. बीच में जो मुर्गी बेची है आपने उसके बारे में कोई डिस्कशन नहीं है. इज इट और नॉट? तो व्हाट विल स्पीक हियर? द सेलिंग ऑफ एग्स इज द डोमेन फॉर buying hen. Hen. And selling of hen is the domain for buying buffalo. Under both function, selling of eggs is the composite domain for buying buffalo. Is it or not? Means selling of eggs और buffalo का relation composite function से है. Is it? तो functions of function is said to be composite function. तो if एक function का नाम suppose that तो what this composite function is represented here? तो इसे ऐसे कहते हैं g of f. ऐसा लिखते हैं. look at that please. g of f. और how it is represented? it is represent कैसे करेंगे आप इसे? this of g composite sign it is g of fx. ऐसा लिखेंगे. gof. क्या पढ़ेंगे इसे? gof. और उसी फंक्शन को 2 बार लगा दे तो the second function name is can we apply the 2 times the function here? एक बार स्क्वायर किया फिर आपने स्क्वायर कर दिए. इज इट या नॉट? स्क्वायर्स ऑफ स्क्वायर. जैसे क्या कहेंगे? 2 टाइम फंक्शन यू अप्लाइड. इज कॉल्ड जैसे आपने कहा था g ऑफ f, ऐसे ही क्या कहेंगे f ऑफ f, क्या कहेंगे फॉफ, क्या कहेंगे आप फॉफ. सो फॉफ गॉफ फंक्शन पे डिपेंड करता है व्हाट टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन इज दैट हियर. इफ द सेकंड फंक्शन इज g, फर्स्ट इज f, तो गॉफ. फर्स्ट इज g, सेकंड इज ऑफ f, तो इट इज कॉल्ड फॉग. फर्स्ट इज h, सेकंड इज g फंक्शन, तो इट्स कॉल्ड गॉ. और फर्स्ट इज g और सेकंड इज h, तो इट्स कॉल्ड हॉग. हॉग, गॉ, फॉग, फॉफ, गॉग. इज इट ना कंपोजिशन फंक्शन. ये भी 2 सिखा रहे हैं अभी, और 3 लगाए तो फॉगा. First function is h, is it here? Second is g, or third is f. So f of g of h, that is called faga. Got it? So well clear on composition of function. I think here this is you will see that here whether it's not in your course or not. But it is very interesting thing here. Look that please. The examples before you. Function. Right now function is given from this set to this. Is it here? How it is? Our function g is given from this set to this. Is it or not? So you will see that f2 means for 2 domain, the point domain, it will give image 3. For the 3 domain point, it will give you image what? 4. And for 4, it will give you what? 5. Furthermore, so and here it is given. So find, we have to gauge. You are to find gauge. How will you find gauge? What is the way to find out the gauge? Tell please, कैसे find करेंगे gauge? Yes. So I am telling the finding of gauge. Tell please, what is that function? 2, 3, 4, 5. And the next is what?
3, 4.
Just keep open the book yours. Right now. So gauge we are to find out. What is the way to find gauge? Don't look the solution. मैं फिर से कह रहा हूँ, आप solution नहीं देखना. Is it here? So gauge we are to find out. Look that here. G of f. G of f. Is it here? G of f for 2. So how do we write here? But before solving that, I will tell you how to represent the function. Is it here? Look. Here it is one set. It's a set A. This is the second set. It's what here B. Or this is the third set. It's called C. Is it here? Here it is X. Under f function, X will associate it with f of X, or you can speak here this as a Y. Under G function, is it or not? Under G function, this Y, is it or not? It's called GY. Or in place of GY, what you will write here? F of X. Well clear? So what is that? So from here to here called f function. From here to here is called G function. And from here to here directly is called composite function. G of f. This is represented G of f. It's called composition of function. Or also we speak here composite function. So well understood the meaning of the word composite function. So domain of composite function is A, and the range image point will find in the C, or intermediary function is there. Is it here? So let us start here. What is the composite function? If from here to here will be, suppose that from here to here is what? F, or here to here, and the same function we have applied here, F. So it will speak here what? F of F. So composition is represented by this symbol. It's a composition symbol, right now. So two function will be written as a GOF, or inverse function will be represented as a fog. If the two function you will apply here this FOF, is it here? That two twice you will apply here that O. That's called G function. It's called GOG. So what is the meaning of GOG? G of X. So how do we read it here? G of fx. क्या पढ़ेंगे आप इसको? G of fx. So let us start here this. So G GOF of x. What is the meaning of GOF of x? So the GOF of x means that G of f of x is here G of f of x. तो जितने ये इतने O होंगे उसे हटा के एक पैरेंथेसिस लगाएंगे आप. Example like that f of x. Suppose that here. दिखा कितनी composition? Please tell me. Two compositions are here. In place of this, you will put here parenthesis. Is it or not? In place of this here, you will put the again parenthesis. Is it or not here? So how will we read it here? F of fx, f of fx. Is it here? Means for this f, this is the domain, and for this f, this is the domain, and for this f, this is the domain. Finally got it? Clearly understood here? Let's come on, please. What is the question here? Please speak that. Since the function is what here? Yes? What the question was saying? Here it is. This. I'm telling you that. Gof, we have to find Gof. I'm telling you direct the answer. Gof.
G of
Gof. So G of f. First is what here? It is 2. So G of f of 2. So this will be written G O means of f of 2. Is it or not? So tell please, what is the f2 here? F2 is what? 3. So in place of f2 you will write G of 3. And what is G of 3?
G of 3 7.
Is here what? G of 3 is 7. So this 7 is the image of composite function. Under composite function 2 give you 7. Under G function f2 give you, is it here? Whatever that. Under, what is that here? F function 2 give you 3. And under G function 3 give you, so composite function is 3, under G 3 give you 7. But under Gof 2 give you 7. Is it here? Now proceed. Similarly, can you do this all or not?
Yes.
Similarly, second is there. What is second? Gof of, what we have to find out? Second 3. Is it? Implies that. What next is? G of, start writing that here. G of f of 3. Tell please, G of f of 3. F3 is what?
F3 is 4.
Yes, it is 4. Or what is G4?
For 4 is
Again here 7. Is it here? So it is a 7 here that. So under Gof function, 2 is giving you 7 under Gof function. What is that here? 3 is giving you 7. Well clear? Different image. So we can speak here. Gof is 1 1. Gof is carrying 1 1 ness. Is it? Well, similarly, can we find other also here? 4 5. Hope you understood. This is the way of writing solution. The way of writing solution is very important task for the student. Is that clear? Come on, please. The question number 16. Find Gof and Fog. Find Gof and Fog. If f function is cos x, do write here please. First function is fx is cos x and gx is 3x square. Well clear? Now let us start here that. Cos x and 3x square. Since what function is there? Fx function is, tell please, cos x. And gx function is what here? 3x square or 2x square? Are you sure? 3x square. Check the book here, please. What is to prove here? This? क्या prove करना है हमें? We have to prove that here. Show that Gof is not equal to fog. We have to prove Gof is not equal to fog. Is it here? Show करना है. We'll check this here. So the way of solving question here. Is it? Look. Since f is what? Cos x, gx is 3 of x square. Is it? Now let's proceed it ahead. So we have to find out Gof. What the Gof is?
Gof G of fx.
G of fx.
G of fx, that means cos x.
Exactly. So first Gof. Here you will write let for x. What type of x is real? Is the real function given here? This may be. Implies that G Gof of f. Is it here? So what you will write for that? G of f of x. Here we'll write that is equal to G of fx is what? What fx is? here fx is cos of x. Is it or not? What is the g function? G function is 3x square. So here it is 3 and leave the domain. And here you will write x square. Or in place of domain, what you will write? Cos x. Is that not? So look. So in place of square of the cos is how to be written? Cos of square x. This is 3 cos square x is coming. One side. Is it here? Similarly, we are finding here what? Fog. How the fog is to be written? So fog means same f of g of x. Is it? So and what is the sequence of solving the functions in compositions? We just go on solving the internal function, innermost function. जो सबसे अंदर function है सबसे पहले उसे solve करते हैं अपन. This is the technique, is it? So what? G. What the G function is? 3 of what? X square. So tell please what is the F function? F function क्या है आपका? Cos x. No. F function cos x. Don't speak here. F function cos है. Is it or not? So here it is cos. और यहाँ क्या होती है उसकी? Domain. So in place of domain, what we have to write?
3x.
Exactly. 3 of x square. Well, clear now? So this expression can be written as 3 of x square. Here it is f of g. Well, clear or not? It is this. Fog. 3 of x square. Now you tell me please. 3 cos square x and here it is cos of 3x square. Are the same thing it is? No, this is not. Hence you will write here this. Therefore, f of gx is not, what is that? Goff. For all x we can write here. वैसे ये for all x लिखने की कोई जरूरत है ही नहीं आपको. Do you know why? At least one के लिए भी सही नहीं है वो तो. Is it here? तो ऐसा the statement is not to be written here this. Got it? Now let the second question please. Finally, composition of function well understood you. Some theorem could also be discussed about the Goff और Fogg के लिए कुछ theorems भी आप discuss कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर. चलिए, let's come on please. The 17 number question you will see that a function from natural to y. Function from natural to y. What is y? दिया गया पर y is what? Where y is what? वो है देखिए y. यहाँ से आएंगी y की वैल्यू निकल के. Is it here? So what can be y here? This y क्या start हो सकता है? Y is what? Y is natural. लेकिन किस तरह के natural? किस तरह के natural? If you will put here 1, if you will put here 1, then 4, 1, 3, 7. So y will be 7. Again you will put here this 2. 2, then 11. Means 7, 11. The next 7, 11, 3. 7, 11, 15, 19, 23. This typical natural. ऐसे natural होंगे. Why ऐसे natural? Natural तो है लेकिन कैसे natural? Typical. हाँ, you may see that here. 7, 11, 15, 19, 23 ऐसे. Is it? So first you have to describe them. कि what type of value the y set will hold. So write starting there please. Start करो लिखना. Since a function f from n to y is given as the way of writing I am telling you. देखिए please. Since function from n to y question number 17. Since function from n to y is given as, कैसे देते हैं उसको function को? Function from n to y is given as fx is 4x3. Is it here? And y is what? Fx is 4x plus 3. Fx is 4x plus 3. And what the value of y? Where y set of all? हाँ, it is natural. ये मतलब y natural ही है. But कैसे natural? What type of natural? तो you will write here y is equal to 4x plus 3. ऐसे natural. और where x is 1, 2, 3. x 1, 2, 3 से start होगा. यहाँ भी clear हो रहा था कि f 1, 2, 3 है. Is it here? Clear? जब हम कहते हैं x की बात करते हैं from x is given from one side to another. तो इसकी गारंटी है कि every value of domain will have at least one image. क्योंकि ऐसा कोई मेंबर होगा ही नहीं डोमेन का कि जिसकी कोई इमेज ना हो, ऐसा होगा ही नहीं, अगर हुआ तो फंक्शन नहीं है वो, इसलिए वो क्या नहीं है, फंक्शन नहीं है। फिर कंसेप्ट ही क्लियर हो गया, राइट, फंक्शन एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं है वहां पर। So that is this here. What the second function? What the g function is being given that here. So the questioner is saying that here for f is invertible. तो invertible आपके अभी कोर्स में नहीं है invertible, is it? But I am telling you what is the meaning of invertible. Invertible कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? Is it? I will just tell you this. एक बार बता देता हूँ invertible का मतलब क्या होता है. Is it? Function invertible मतलब what? Function is invertible. So to prove what, f is invertible, f is invertible, but ये जेई मेन में है कॉन्सेप्ट ये, राइट, f is invertible, what, f is invertible, ये प्रूफ करना है मतलब. what is the meaning of the word invertible का मतलब क्या होता है? I'm telling, here it is what, natural set, or here it is y set. So under here it is x, so under x, is it here, under x, n will be given as y, n will be given as y. In place of that जब कोई वैल्यू रखेंगे, when you will substitute here that, so it will give you f of x, is it, got it? But from y to n, how can you bring y to n? So y to n means it is a linear function, you will see that here. So you will consider here that, let you will suppose it's a small y is there, small y be the value here, that's twice 4x plus 3, is it or not? So under this relative function, under this linear function, x will give you y, will check that here, y minus 3 is equal to what, x, here it is 4 of x, and later it will be y minus 3 divided by what, 4, it is x here. This is another function here that, so you will consider here that, let g is a function, g is a function from y to n, ये एक function है. तो आपको ये बताना है कि वो इन्वर्टिबल है. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इन्वर्टिबल? आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस. अंडर स्क्वायर फंक्शन टू गिव यू इज देयर एनी फंक्शन बाय विच 4 अगेन कैन बी बैक पीछे ला सकते हैं वापस इसको, 4 से 2 ला सकते हैं. व्हाट इज दैट? अंडर रूट फंक्शन. अंडर रूट 2 डोंट यू स्पीक हियर. अंडर रूट फंक्शन, स्क्वायर रूट विल स्पीक हियर. 3 गिव यू अंडर द स्क्वायर फंक्शन, और 9 विल गिव यू बैक. तो क्या ये इन्वर्टिबल फंक्शन, ये फंक्शन इन्वर्टिबल है? कैसे? आई एम टेलिंग यू देयर इज समथिंग कंफ्यूजन. 2 विल गिव यू व्हाट, 4 स्क्वायर फंक्शन, याद आया कुछ आपको? बट 4 गिव यू व्हाट, प्लस माइनस 2, आप भूल गए? इज इट और नॉट? प्लस माइनस 2. Square function 2 always will give you 4, but 4 will give you square root as plus minus 2. तो स्क्वायर रूट फंक्शन में 4 की जो इमेज होती है वो कितनी होती है? 2 इमेजेस होती है. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ कि स्क्वायर रूट स्क्वायर फंक्शन के लिए क्या नहीं है? Is it here? So what is the meaning of the word invertibility? And how can we check the invertibility word? Is it here? So y minus 3 divided by 4, is it here? The way of solving that. Got it? So under x, we'll just solve here that. What? Under x, okay, that starts here solving. There are some y. So look that. What is this? Y. So first we have to bring all y. आपको पहले सारे y लाना है. Is it? So can I start? So you will just consider here that is it y minus 3 divided by 4 is x is there clearly. So now proceed it here. We have to prove what is to prove here that, क्या प्रूव करना है आपको? टेल प्लीज कि ये इन्वर्टिबल है. इज इट या नहीं है? तो इन्वर्टिबल है नहीं है, कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? इंटरेस्टिंग. आपने 2 अंडर एक फंक्शन लगाया, उसका नाम क्या था? f. इसने 4 दिया. सपोज x will speak here. Under f, x give you y, और अंडर g, y give you back what? तो अगर आप x पे दोनों फंक्शन को एक साथ लगा दें तो वापस क्या आ जाएगा?
X.
नहीं आया सर. Square give you, I'm telling this, 2 of square will give you 4, is it here? And 2 of or square root of 4 give you 2, for consideration positive number for only, is it here? So 2 of square of square root, what is the answer here?
2.
तो दोनों फंक्शन को एक साथ लगा दिए. इसके लिए तो दोनों फंक्शन को जब एक साथ लगाएंगे तो क्या आएगा? 2 के लिए 2 ही आएगा, 1 के लिए 1, 3 के लिए 3, 5 के लिए 5, फॉर 7 के लिए 7, इज इट हियर? एंड फॉर 9 के लिए 9. इसका क्या मतलब है कि एक डोमेन पॉइंट खड़ा हो रहा है मिरर के सामने और वो खुद ही दिखाई दे रहा है उसको. 2 is making its identity as image 2. 3 is making identity as x. So x is making its own identity as x. So this typical function is called identity function. Conclusion कि अगर Goff function, if the Goff is identity function, अगर Goff identity हो जाए, is it here? From f to g, from f to g or g to f, sorry, from a to b under f और from b to a back. तो अगर ये compositions of a to b और b to a फंक्शन कैसा फंक्शन हो जाए? आइडेंटिटी. तो कहते हैं कि g f का उल्टा फंक्शन है. दैट इज
Invertible.
hence proved that what g is what? बोलो समझ आया कि नहीं? g is invertible of that. So we are to prove here that. बढ़े आगे. अब आपको ये प्रूव करना है. So let us start here proving that. What are the values of y? Y सर्च कर ले पहले. What are y? Tell please what are y? Since y is, tell please. रखिए y फंक्शन क्या है हमारा? y is equal to 4x plus 3 and x is 1. What x is 1? 7. Next is what? 11. Then 15. रखिए please. 4 4 is 16. 19. And next is what? 23. Dot further more. What these values are here? ये y है. Is it? So we'll discuss here that. So you will write here f of so here we'll put that f of what? X. F of 7. No. First is what? 3 na? 1. F of 1. F of 1. What is given f of 1? 4 into 1 will equal to what here? Will equal to what? 7. अब हमारे पास एक और फंक्शन है g फंक्शन. What is the g function? So g of 7. Is it here? What is the g of 7? Here it is the g of 7. अभी निकाला वो है g of 7. Y is 7. Tell please what? 7 minus 3 divided by what?
4.
What next will be this? 4 divided by 4 will give you what? 1. Means under f 1 give you 7. Under g 7 give you 1. So under g of f 1 give you 1. Similarly, next आप कर लेंगे एक और. Another one more example. F of 2. What is f of 2? What is f of 2?
F of 2.
Here it is 4.
F of
4 and 2.
11.
Yes, or it's 3. What next is 11? So under g 11 will give you what? Where is g function? This is g function. 11 minus 3 divided by 4 is equal to what? 11 minus 3? 8 divided by 4? 2. So what is that here? 2 coming again. That is, इससे क्या कंक्लूजन निकाला आपने? What the conclusion you are drawing? कंक्लूजन ये ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं कि अंडर f 1 give you 7 और अंडर g 7 give you 1 implies that what? Under g of f, under g of f 1 will give you again 1. Similarly, here you will write comma g of 2 will give you what? 2. ये सबके लिए होगा ऐसा?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So here you will write therefore for all x, for all x. What is that here? For all x, yeah, x, g of f of x will give you what? X. तो क्या कहेंगे अपन इसको, देयरफॉर g इज व्हाट, f ऑफ x। तो हम ये कहेंगे कि हियर गॉफ एक आइडेंटिटी फंक्शन है, अगर गॉफ आइडेंटिटी है तो f का इन्वर्टिबल एग्जिस्ट है। फाइनली कंक्लूजन, a से b एक फंक्शन के तहत x y इमेज देता है, एक और फंक्शन के तहत y वापस x इमेज देता है। तो x के लिए ये फंक्शन और ये फंक्शन जब एक साथ लगाएंगे तो x का x ही आएगा। तो हम कहते हैं कि कंपोजिशन ऑफ दिस टू फंक्शन इज आइडेंटिटी फंक्शन। फाइनली क्लियर, गॉट इट? So invertible is existing. Hope you understood. Got it clearly? Now look that next question please. How will you solve that further? और भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं जो आप इस तरह से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। Now next is it is this and miscellaneous. So we'll solve that question in assignment. Relation R1 R2 are equivalence relations at A. Show that R1 R2 is it here? What the question says here? There are two relations R1 R2 और here equivalence relation in set A. एक relation है जो equivalence है set A में. It is show that their intersection means two relation are equivalence. Two relations are equivalence. तो relation है क्या? Relation sets है. ऐसे members या ऐसे order pair का set, ऐसे order pair का set जो दोनों set कैसे हैं? Equivalence है. इनका intersection निकालेंगे आप और फिर ये बताएंगे कि क्या इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ द टू रिलेशन सेट इक्विवेलेंस, तो क्या इक्विवेलेंस वो भी है? तो विल डिस्कस हियर। कॉन्सेप्ट तो क्लियर हो गया वो, द डिफिकल्टी विद राइटिंग, सो आई विल एक्सपेक्ट यू टू राइट डाउन द सॉल्यूशन। इज इट हियर? तो कैसे लिखेंगे आप? तो ऑब्वियसली इसके साथ जैसे ए बिलोंग्स टू आर, ए बिलोंग्स टू, इज इट ना? फिर नेक्स्ट यू विल राइट व्हाट हियर, दिस ए बिलोंग्स टू R1। अब व्हाट इज दैट हियर? ध्यान सुनिएगा प्लीज। अब ए बिलोंग्स टू R1 और ए बिलोंग्स टू R2 भी कर लीजिए प्लीज। क्यों कर रहे हैं आप ऐसे? ए बिलोंग्स टू R1, ए बिलोंग्स टू R2, वाई? ये कह रहा ना इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन इन सेट ए में एक ए सेट में ही इक्विवेलेंस है, इसलिए आप ऐसा लिख रहे हैं ए बिलोंग्स टू R1 और ए बिलोंग्स टू, फॉर ए बिलोंग्स टू ए। अब ए बिलोंग्स टू ए मतलब स्मॉल ए बिलोंग्स टू कैपिटल ए, तो ए R1 में बिलोंग कर रहा है, ए R2 में बिलोंग कर रहा है, implies that ए will belongs to R1 intersection R2 और ये सारे ए के लिए सच होगा, मीन्स कि R1 intersection R2 is reflexive. Well clear or not? Similarly क्या लिखेंगे? AB belongs to R1, AB belongs to R1. Well clear or not? आगे समझ में, और सिमिलरली उसके आगे तक लिखते चले जाएंगे। होप यू अंडरस्टूड यू। इफ यू कांट अंडरस्टैंड विल स्टार्ट आवर स्टडी फ्रॉम हियर दैट। लिखिए, आप लिख भी सकते हैं, यू जस्ट कैन राइट हियर दैट, स्टार्ट राइटिंग दैट। प्रोसीड अहेड। हियर इट इज सॉल्विंग द सॉल्यूशन, सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चन नंबर विच वन इज दैट? मार्किंग कौन सी थी इसकी? फर्स्ट वन, मिसलेनियस। यू विल राइट हियर, लेट एक वैल्यू सपोज कर लीजिए ए बिलोंग्स टू ए, ए बिलोंग्स टू ए, सो इम्प्लाइज दैट, या फिर आप देयरफॉर लिख सकते हैं इसके लिए व्हाट, ए बिलोंग्स टू R1। ठीक है, क्यों बताइए? वाई वी आर राइटिंग सो? ऐसा क्यों लिख रहे हैं आप? आर्ग्यूमेंट क्या हुआ? क्योंकि R1 रिफ्लेक्सिव है। किस पे रिफ्लेक्सिव है? ए पे रिफ्लेक्सिव है। तो हियर यू विल राइट R1 is reflexive, R1 is reflexive on A। ये एक्चुअली ये जो स्टेटमेंट है आप खुद समझ के लिखेंगे, एनसीईआरटी वाला हैज नॉट गिवन द सॉल्यूशन, इज इट हियर? सिमिलरली, या फिर यहां लिखेंगे ऑल्सो ए बिलोंग्स टू, क्या लिखेंगे आप? R2। आर्ग्यूमेंट क्या होगा इसका? फिर वही लिखेंगे आर्ग्यूमेंट, सेम आर्ग्यूमेंट भी लिखेंगे। क्या बताइए प्लीज कि R2 भी क्या है? रिफ्लेक्सिव। तो अब आप साफ साफ देखिए, ए बिलोंग कर रहा है R2 में और ए बिलोंग कर रहा है R1 में, इज इट हियर? सो हियर यू विल राइट व्हाट, ए विल आल्सो बिलोंग्स टू R1 इंटरसेक्शन R2। मतलब इन दोनों स्टेटमेंट से आपको ये ड्रॉ हुआ, इज इट हियर? व्हाट यू हैव ड्रॉन, ए इज बिलोंगिंग टू R1, ए इज बिलोंगिंग टू R2 implies that A is belonging to R1 R2। Therefore what you will write कि R1 intersection R2 is reflexive. क्यों? क्योंकि ये सारे A के लिए होगा ऐसा. Is it? बोलो, clear not? First part clear? Second symmetric you will write here. Symmetric. Here it is reflective. How will you write symmetric? Suppose कर लीजिए, let A comma B belongs to A. Is it here? Such that इस तरह से belong कर रहे हैं कि ABBA belongs to R1. ऐसा क्यों लिखे मैंने, बताइए. अब भी क्लियर कर दिया मैंने आपसे, क्योंकि R1 सिमेट्रिक है, इक्विवेलेंस है ना. Is it here? So you will write here argument same कि R1 is equivalence. R1 is equivalence, इसलिए ऐसा. सेकेंड लाइन क्या होगी? Also. अब बन जाएगा कि नहीं आपको? AB belongs to AB and BA belongs to what? AB and BA belongs to, tell please, R2. Argument is what? R2 is equivalence relation on what? A. मैं again and again generally I used to say कि difficulty of in expression is the writing solution, कि आप कैसे उसको ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे. इसमें समझ आएगा तो ही लिखेंगे, नहीं समझ में आएगा तो नहीं लिख पाएंगे. इसलिए तो समझना ज़्यादा है और छापना कम है. So also what is that here? Similarly implies that. Tell please. ये बता रहा ना, ये वाली लाइन देखिए और ये वाली लाइन देखिए, दोनों में है कि नहीं? Please tell me. So what you will write here then? Therefore, comma AB, comma what is that here? BA. AB BA belongs to what? R1 intersection R2. Is it here? So what is that? R1 intersection R2 is क्या? Symmetric. Symmetric. ये भी symmetric है. Got it? Next is third. What the third one is? Transitive. Let us start here the word transitive. How can we understand here the word transitive? Same way. A comma B comma C belongs to A. Any three members ABC किस में बिलोंग करते हैं? प्लीज टेल मी. बिलोंग्स टू A. सच दैट, इस तरह से, सच दैट कैसे बोलिए प्लीज? AB बिलोंग्स टू BC बिलोंग्स टू, इज इट, और AC बिलोंग्स टू R1. कैन यू टेल मी क्यों ऐसा लिख रहे हैं? बोलिए प्लीज. फिर वही लाइन कॉपी करेंगे आप. इक्विवेलेंस ऑन R. ऑल्सो AB, BC और AC belongs to R2. क्यों? Please tell me. Same line here. Implies that ये R1 में belong कर रहा है, ये R12 में. So what is that here? Here you will write AB and next is what? BC and third is AC were all belonging to R1 intersection R2. Here you will write. Is it or not? So what you will write here? Therefore R1 intersection R2 is an equivalence what? Relation. एक equivalence relation होगा. Because R1 R2 is, first you will write here transitive. ये transitive होगा. Is it or not? So you have proved here R1 R2 is reflexive, R1 R2 symmetric, R1 R2 transitive. So below one you will write क्या? R1 R2 intersection R1 R2 is equivalence relation. That is all three here. Hope you understood you. So what is the difficulty with this question here in writing? In writing, ठीक है ना? हाँ, writing answer. It's over that here. Your assignment of the day for this today is let R. One more question here, we'll see that here. Let R x is 1 2 3 4 up to 9, R1 be relation in given x, here it is relation. You will solve just here by solving one by one. Okay, एक एक स्टेप आप फॉलो करेंगे. देखिए, if you will solve the questions by yourself, then you can proceed. Today is the last day for this chapter 1, and then later we'll discuss here the exercise. Show that function on R, it is domain range defined by, that is this, x divided by 1 by mod of x. So obviously it will always be positive. ये पॉजिटिव है ना. अब अगर ये पॉजिटिव है तो 1 प्लस एक्स विल ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव है, और यहाँ पर 0 आया तो ऑब्वियसली ये डिनोमिनेटर कभी 0 हो ही नहीं सकता. इज इट? सो फॉर ऑल एक्स दिस विल बी डिफाइंड. आर इज 1 1 एंड ऑन 2 आपको डिफाइन करना है. तो यू विल कंसीडर हियर देयर इज सम वैल्यू, ये हमेशा एक पॉजिटिव वैल्यू होगी, याद रखिएगा. फॉर पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव बोथ विल टेक हियर दिस. इज इट? तो पहले पॉजिटिव के लिए लेना, फिर नेगेटिव. पॉजिटिव के लिए कैसे लेंगे अपन? ऐसे सॉल्व करेंगे आप. फॉर you will write here for all x less than 0. Q, here it is this. Got it? Real. So you will write here f of x is equal to minus of x, you will write. But here you will take what here? Negative of x. ऐसे solve करेंगे आप. So what will be this? Minus of x and 1 plus x. और आप चाहें तो इसे fx को क्या लिख सकते हैं आप? y, a single value. So y is equal to minus of x divided by 1 plus x. अब इसे सिंप्लीफाई कर लीजिएगा. इज इट? तो क्या ये फंक्शन डिफाइन हो रहा है? इज इट? ऑफ कोर्स. तो हमें बताना क्या है? 1 1 ही बताना है. तो हाँ, सेकेंड फॉर पॉजिटिव, पॉजिटिव के लिए आएगा. हियर यू विल राइट फॉर ऑल x इज ग्रेटर देन 0, और ऑल्सो यू कैन टेक इक्वल टू भी ले सकते हैं आप. इज इट? तो फर्स्ट यू विल राइट फॉर ग्रेटर देन, फॉर ऑल x ग्रेटर देन 0. सो y इज इक्वल टू, बस ये नेगेटिव नहीं आएगा, पॉजिटिव, और हियर इट विल बी पॉजिटिव. इज इट? दो फंक्शन बना लिए आपने. तो कभी कभी कुछ बुक में ऐसा लिखा रहता है, देखिए प्लीज. आपने कई बार एक्सप्रेशन को देखा होगा. व्हाट इज दैट? f ऑफ x, याद है कुछ अपन को? माइनस ऑफ x and 1 plus x for x is less than 0. Got it or not? This is your description. Or x is 0, so here will be what? 0. Or next is what? Positive of x or 1 minus, positive of x. Or here it will be 1 plus x, where x is greater than 0. ये सारे के सारे आपके क्या हैं? डोमेन. और ये क्या बताएंगे आपको? इमेज देंगे आपको. तो इमेज इसकी देखिए प्लीज ध्यान से. सो फंक्शन इज गिवन फ्रॉम रियल टू क्या है? यहाँ एक सेट गिवन है. तो यू जस्ट हैव टू सी कि ये सेट कौन सा सेट है. क्या उस सेट में ये सारी वैल्यूज आएंगी? इन दैट सेट क्या 0 आ रहा है? इज इट? ऑब्वियसली आएगा अगर फंक्शन है तो. यू विल जस्ट टेक द वन नेस और ऑफ दैट. क्लियर ना? बन जाएगा क्वेश्चन. So you will complete this here, and later tomorrow I will check this here. Okay guys, thank you very much. Have a nice day.